Hi everybody, Brian Rathbone here from Broadband Catalyst with an overview of our open source broadband map. What you see before you are 13 states worth of FCC broadband availability data from 2015. We are working on getting the nationwide 2016 data mapped out. We don't have that ready quite yet, so we're using this for our proof of concept. The red dots that you see on the map represent unserved citizens. Were folks who have entered themselves through our form, which we'll show here in just a moment. We also are showing open access middle mile assets in North Carolina. Specifically, we have the MCNC POP locations as well as their fiber routes, accessible fiber and long haul fiber. We look forward to adding more middle mile fiber assets to our map as those data become available. We have each of the technology types shown with a different color, and we can isolate those technology types. For example, if we just wanted to see fixed wireless, we can turn those other layers off. And we also have a layer that represents 25 down, 3 up service that meets that minimum standard as far as the FCC has set that. Where you see the black areas are areas where there are multiple providers, so that we have competitive coverage there. We can use the identify feature tool, the get feature tool here, to look at one of those areas and see that we've got Dalton Utilities and Charter Communications each providing high-speed broadband service to that area. So we can go look at a county, for example, let's say Rutherford, North Carolina. So you can see we don't have a lot of 25 down, 3 up service in the area. We do have some MCNC middle mile fiber coming through, and we do have a POP, which could potentially help with that problem. We can zoom out and take a look at a more regional view of the area, and we see we've got these red dots, which are these unserved locations. And if we want to report a new location as unserved, we can just click on our form here, fill out our name and email address, and let's say that we wanted to go to Gilkey, North Carolina, and let's say we wanted to go here to the community center and say that there was no broadband here, and add that location to the map. You'll see that we can also mark that we have slower service than 25 down, 3 up, and that mobile, cellular, LTE, 4G, and satellite internet are not considered broadband for the purpose of this survey. We can go ahead and add that location to the map. We'll be notified that our location has been added, and we can click here to return back to the broadband map, where we can type in Gilkey, North Carolina, and see that our location has been added here to the map. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing this tool to the public.